In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to create a payment link on Whop. So first, you need to access your Whop.com account, and once you're in, you will see this page and you just have to go on checkout links. Once you click on that, you will see this page and just click on the create checkout link, which is the blue button. Once you click on that, you'd be able to create your checkout link, which is you'd actually choose which Whop that you wanted to create that link, and whether it is on a free or one-time use. So, for example, in this case, we are going to use recurring and tender the amount of your subscription price, like for example, like $20 in specific currency that you want. Like in this case, we are going to use the US dollar and specifically choose the subscription period as well, like in 1 month, 7 days, or even a year. So after that, you'd be choosing your initial fee like $1. And then you could actually click the advanced options, which is if you wanted to be visible on your store page or just hide it and can be accessible via link. And after that, you could actually put more options right here or just simply click the create button. Once you click on that, you successfully created your payment link, and you just have to click the three dots, which is at the right navigation bar, and click copy checkout link. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.